So obviously just arrived in the country and went and saw the family, put our bags down. Obviously went to go see Grandpa in the grave in the cemetery, said hello to him, paid my respects. So obviously what do you do next? You go and grab some food. That's what about. Dal puri. That's what you call dal puri. Amazing food, amazing street food. You ever get the chance to come to Mauritius, that's what you've got to try first. One of the first things, street food, amazing. Alright, so here's the finished product. Dal puri. Yum. That's what you got to get. As soon as you come, that's what you got to get. Yeah, so obviously running out of Lexi's, lychees, if you want to call it that. This is the we go to. It's oh what day is it's look at that. What's that to like monkeys to go lychees, you know? Choo!
That's the reward!
That is the reward, that is the reward.